Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a cauldron for Halloween, of course. So this video is part of an open collaboration with one of our sweet YouTube friends, Kiki, over at Kiki's DIYs. You guys, she's so super sweet, so this is going to be so much fun. Please check the description box so that you can get all of the pertinent information, and go and check out all of the wonderful ladies and gentlemen that will be participating in this open collaboration. Okay, you guys, let's get started. Alrighty, so what we have here is a cauldron, and I already did a lot of it to save time because I don't like long videos. Alright, so what I did was cut a styrofoam ball in half, and then I placed some floral moss on top of it. I put in a couple of floral picks. So currently what you see me doing is just using long craft sticks that resemble toothpicks. They're flat on one end and pointed on the other side, and I'm just placing it in here so that it will secure the ball to my cauldron without making it permanent. I don't want this to be permanent. I like to repurpose a lot of my designs if they're not going into my Etsy. So I'm going to repurpose this so that I can use it again. So here we go. Right now I'm using my manual still picks machine here. It's the same as the still picks machines that the florists use, but this is just a manual one, and it's really handy for small projects. Now, if I was going to be making this elaborate floral arrangement, of course I wouldn't use this manual one because my hands would be hurting. We're just going to add a few more floral picks and a couple of those let's see, orange flowers. They're really pretty. And after we do that, we have something really cute that we're going to be adding. So keep watching. As an added reminder, you guys, most of these items come from the Dollar Tree, so this project is super simple as well as inexpensive and pretty. Okay, so what I have here are two pumpkins, and they both came from the Dollar Tree last season, but I'm sure you can find something super cute from the Dollar Tree this season that you can use to decorate a cauldron. And all I did was use the craft stick and added some floral arrangements, and then I took a miniature styrofoam ball, cut it in half, and added me some eyes. I didn't want googly eyes, but I did want some eyes to kind of stand out on the pumpkin. The pumpkin on top is actually battery operated, and the lights flash is so super cool. I'm going to try to get a picture here in a moment toward the end and show you where the eyes are doing their flashy thing. It is so cute, and what I love most about these types of designs is that they're cute. They're not spooky, they're very whimsical, and so they won't scare our littles, and that's always a plus, right? Great. It's moving around, so I'm going to need to add a few more of those craft sticks to it because I don't want it to be permanent again. I want a nice little bow here, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little bow tutorial. But if you guys like making bows or are interested in learning how to make bows, I make bows here on the channel every Wednesday. I'd love to have you come and join me if that's something that you're interested in. Also, if you guys like crafty projects, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So all we're doing here is I cut the ribbon at 18 inches. I fold it in half. I dovetail the ends by folding the ribbon over and cutting from the folded side to the loose edge. I take the bottom ribbon and turn it up. These loops are about 4 inches in length, and I'm just alternating. The loop will be on one side, and then I'll alternate and the loop will be on the left side. So it'll be right loop, right loop, left loop, and we're only going to have about 4 loops on this bow. So it's really simple. And if you want to know what that contraption is, it's called the bow dabber, and it offers you a third hand. So super sweet to be able to use. However, you don't have to go out and buy a gadget. You are more than able to just use a clip. It'll do the same thing. Something I have, so I like to use it. I want to make things easy for me. So I'm just going to use that chenille stem to pull the bow up, and I'm going to tie my bow off with some zip ties. Can't trust the chenille stem sometimes. Those wires are very, very thin. This bow is already standing up. We're just going to fluff it out a little bit, and we're going to add it to our super cute cauldron, and we'll call it done. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to spend it here with me today. I know that you could have been somewhere else doing something else fun, especially on a Saturday, but you chose to spend some time with me. And for that, I'm super grateful. I do want to remind you guys not to forget to check the description box and go over to visit Kiki and all of the lovely ladies on the playlist. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone. And at the very least, please leave me a comment. I love to have you as a part of my family, but make sure you check the description box. Thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful day. Be blessed.